rain.
Yep.
Loop. I think say, what the hell is that? That loop is
Yep.
Covered up. Okay, let's see.
So this is a new stretch they put in here.
The old's over.
Mm-hmm.
There, yeah. Okay, yep, there goes the ramp over.
This is why they're building this.
Whoa. Shit, either do it or don't do it, but don't do it halfway and stop. Damn, no wonder you got a handicap tag on there for mental incapacitation. Fuck, stupid.
And they started in the late summer. I think is when they started on this. First noticed them clearing stuff out for it.
Why they didn't make those piers wide enough for 4 lanes each direction. And go ahead and build a 4-lane bridge and save you money in the long run. You know they're damn well going to need it. They still got enough money to do the fancy whatever lights or whatever. See over yonder? Looks like a brick or whatever they're doing. I guess I don't get it. That may just be the form to hold it in. I can't tell.
So it looks like there's going to be an entry onto Grand Parkway north right there.
Kind of hard to tell exactly what they're doing. The far side looks higher than this side. Doesn't it? Or maybe it's just the, it is higher. Now, what would that be?
They need it desperately, though.
Yeah. I can't understand why this wasn't done when they did all the work on 10.